All right, next up, we got E-Dog here. A couple boxes of 2016 Bowman Jumbo Baseball. Good luck, brother. May the super be with you. First pack, looking like all base. Alright, got a Ahmed Rosario. Mets. Uh-oh, we got Red Refractor Shimmer coming up next. Rosario numbered to 250 and a Red Refractor Shimmer autograph. Nate Smith. Angels. Nice, man. It's number 9 of 10. 247th overall. Bam. Cornelius Randolph. Glasnow. Superfractor. Superfractor alert. Jeff Bagwell. Rookie flashbacks. Man. Red Shimmer and Super in the same box. Crazy. Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Rowdy Tellez. Refractor to 499. Paper Blue, Stephen Piscotty, rookie. Willie Adams and Mauricio Dubon, base autograph. Autograph. Ariel Jurado, Texas Rangers. Blue, Dwayne Underwood. Paper. Last pack, box number 1. Ivan Rodriguez, rookie flashbacks. All right, that was a heck of a first box. So that's going to take something awfully special to top it, but we'll try. Numero dos. Autograph, Sal Romano. Williams. Maheda, Refractor, number to 499. That's a nice card. Bagwell, the Unsuperfractor version. Brian Hayes, Bowman Scouts. Have a tingle. See some purple coming up. Kevin Paldo. Purple Refractor and a Purple Refractor autograph right behind that of Jahal Cotton. That's number 54 of 250. So some gold paper. Gong. Not bad right there. 36 of 50. And rookie autograph refractor, Henry Owens. Nice. $4.99. Turn 2. Insert. And our last pack. See some blue. Christian Arroyo, Bowman Scouts, and a blue refractor, Colin Warren. Astros, number 2/150. All right, outstanding break. Eric, appreciate it, man. Congrats. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP. Later, buddy.